You're brushing your teeth at 2 a.m. and suddenly you hear a weird sound coming from the basement. A girl was alone at home casually brushing her teeth when she heard this creepy scratching and whining noise downstairs. At first, she froze. The sound got louder, like something was moving around in the basement. She grabbed her phone flashlight and slowly walked downstairs. Every step made her more nervous. The basement door was slightly open, and the noise suddenly stopped. She pushed the door open, expecting the worst, only to find her dog sitting there with its head stuck inside an empty chips packet, making weird alien noises trying to breathe. She really thought it was a ghost, but it was just her hungry dog fighting for snacks at 2 a.m.